Hi, it's Martin from Reversing Cameras UK. It's sunset, and I've rigged up this integrated aerial sharp CCD bracket camera. Just put it low down on the back of the car because the motorhome's away at the moment with my father, having a nice holiday. I've got it linked up. If you see any lines, they're not there in real life. It's just an effect of videoing an LCD screen. So this is our 7-inch screen. So it'd be the DW60A series set. So I've just temporarily rigged it up for now, just because I'm not going to install it permanently, just for a quick product video. So this is a 2-meter long lead. So obviously I've got it just temporarily rigged up to a lighter plug, so that's powering the entire system. So it connects into the red and black wire there through a little socket. You've got a spare channel, so if you did buy one of these kits, you could put a cabled system. So some people use wireless for a caravan or trailer, and then they just put a cabled back to a camera on their car or van or whatever they've got. The wireless box, it's a DW60A box, so we've had these for a long time. They're very reliable. They use a 60-meter wireless technology, although it's not anywhere near being tested today just because of the short range, but it'll happily do the even sort of massive caravans, lorries, Arctics, you name it. So as you can see, even though it's dark outside, you're still getting a nice clear picture. So I'll take this for a spin in a moment, just so you can see it in motion. If you did have more than one camera, you just press the cam button and flick between the two. It wasn't my intention to shoot this in the dark, but in autumn, when you're used to summer and nice long summer nights, you suddenly realise your lights are slipping away from you. So there's no real worry for CCD sensors like this, because CCD does very well in the dark. They're very sensitive to light. So it still works well. You still get a lovely image to work with. It keeps you safe, keeps other people safe, keeps your vehicle safe. So that's the DW60A as a complete kit. As you can see, still giving a nice image even as it gets dark.